Howdy there, folks. Today we're going to take a look at this really cool toolkit. It's made by J-A-R-O-W-I or Jar Aoi. I'm not sure how to say that. Nice drill gun right here, forward and reverse. Speed settings, torque settings on the top here. Toolless chuck, removable lithium-ion battery. Comes with a carrying case and a battery charger. But this kit isn't just this. It comes with a little hammer, Phillips head, flat head, wire snips, a adjustable ratcheting screwdriver, precision Phillips heads, precision flatheads. I forget what this is called, but it's like a flexi drill driver you can attach to your drill gun, so you can get around angles and stuff. Really cool. Drywall anchoring and screw set, drill bits, Allen head keys, a little miniature hacksaw, adjustable crescent wrench, needle nose pliers and snips, regular pliers. These are like, what do they call these? Anyways, bigger pliers, level, and tape measure. A little like, I forget what they call this. It's to test for electricity, voltage meter, different bits, a utility knife. I mean, this is a complete kit, great gift set for somebody to have in their house just for everyday little things that you need to fix. Was sent to me for review.